Hi, welcome to my channel, guys. I hope everyone is well and good, and I'm really grateful to receiving such lovely comments from some of the students on my previous video. So, here is my third video. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go to the intro. Hi, welcome all. So, today's video is all about four important keys that a CIE student, a Cambridge International student, must know. Without these, no student can make out their logical reasoning for their answers or a meaningful suggestion or a justification for any case studies as well. Hence, these four skills are very important to keep in mind before any student can answer a question. So, if you go to your syllabus guide or if you download your syllabus of any subject, there will be a column called as assessment objectives. So, we call it AO as capital letters AO, and there are four of those. So, it will be named as AO1, AO2, AO3, and AO4. So these four are the main keys, and AO1 is called as knowledge and understanding, AO2 is called as application, AO3 is called analysis, AO4 is called evaluation. These four are the main keys that every IGCSE A levels checkpoint student need and must keep in mind before they answer any kind of question. Okay, so these are the four assessment objectives, but what are they? So, if you go to your syllabus, they would have mentioned it, but I would soon make a video about each and everything, and I will also make video about each subject, what it correlates, and how it correlates to these four main objectives. For knowledge, for business studies, it changes about the application, analysis, and evaluation, whereas in mathematics, science, everything changes. The only common thing in all these subjects are knowledge, understanding, and maybe even application there and there, but knowledge and understanding is similar to every single subject. But all the other three factors are very complicated skills that each student need to master in order to get an A star. So for now, let me just briefly explain these four categories. First and foremost is knowledge and understanding. Knowledge and understanding is just to demonstrate whatever you know about the topic, and the facts, the terms, concepts, theories or techniques, whatever the methods, all you know, just naming it is called as knowledge and understanding. So how an educator, sorry, how a teacher or the examiner, sorry, it's examiner not educator, so the examiner marks for your board exams are these four categories. So they check your knowledge and understanding. If you have the knowledge and understanding, they give the assigned mark for it. So basically, when you do your IGCSE A levels, they have assigned categories for these two. For example, if there's a 12 marker case study question, the knowledge and understanding might be 2 or 4 marks, and application might be 4, analysis might be 2, and evaluation might be 4, and it comes around whatever the marks is. So depending on the knowledge, depending on whatever you're giving them, they gave the mark. So knowledge and understanding is most and almost every single student can get this knowledge and understanding. So as I said, knowledge and understanding is just defining the facts. For example, let me say, if I talk about the factors of production, which is in the IGCSE business studies, factors of production, if they ask a question about explain this case study and how they have used the factors of production, if you just name all the factors of production as land, labor, capital, enterprise, and if you just explain what those are, that is what you get as knowledge and understanding marks, as 2 marks. So that is just an example for you to understand. So that is knowledge and understanding, which is AO1. So if we go to the next one, it is called application. Application is when you apply your knowledge. Apply your knowledge in sense, for as I said, factors of production. So if the case study is explaining about a farmer, then what you can say in the question is, as in the case study, the businessman his main target customers are farmers, so they can use more land, and that land would be the most appropriate factors of production which they are directly influenced. So that is how you link the answer. You link the knowledge to your case study to give the application point, and then you get the mark for the application point. So basically the fact you make in the knowledge, you just link it with from the case study or any other idea you have in your brain, you get the application mark. Okay, so basically what analysis does and helps in a answer is that it makes the answer more logical and appealing to the examiner. That is why the most marks are always given to analysis. Hence, it is a really important skill for the student, for any IGCSE or A level student to master. What you need to do for analysis is that you take the knowledge and the application point, you have already linked it into a paragraph. Now what you do is that you take that and you reconstruct a point where you state an evidence and you explain that this evidence makes sense with the knowledge point that you have already made. So that is how you make an analysis point. If you take business studies, for now it's so easy to just explain in business terms. That's why I'm just explaining in a business model. If you want a science video, if you want a math video, please comment down below. I will surely make it soon. So the last and the final one is called evaluation. So evaluation is basically the justification, or if you want to finish an argument, or you want to give recommendation, decisions, that is what is called evaluation. It's just to present a reasoned explanation. So yeah guys, these are the 4 main key objectives, assessment objectives, that every single student need to know. So I have just briefly explained what these 4 are. If you want me to give more advanced and detailed explanation on all these 4 for different subjects, please comment down below or reach out to me in other videos and just comment down more videos on assessment objectives. Yeah, that will be fine. So see you guys soon in a next video. Bye bye. Cheers guys.